This assessment asks us to practice drawing chairs following the instructions in Table 3.12. This is going to start by drawing two parallel lines oriented in the following way. Notice that the line on the bottom is going to start a little bit over to the right. By drawing those parallel lines, we've now set ourselves up for the next set of parallel lines. We'll have a line that emanates from here going in that direction and one going in this direction from here. Note that the last two lines we've drawn are both parallel to each other. At this point, we're ready to complete the chair by drawing a parallel line here and a parallel line there. We're now ready to put in the substituents. The axial substituents are going to be the easier ones because they're going to be aligned with an axis that cuts through the center of the ring. Notice that when these two come together to make a downward V, a vertex pointing down, that's where our axial substituent will be down. Similarly, these come together at a vertex pointing down, so we'll have that one there. And at this carbon here, this one is actually in the background, so it will disappear behind that front bond. So those are the down axial substituents. We can do the same thing for the up axial substituents, wherever the vertex is pointing up. And then finally, we can put in the equatorial substituents by maintaining that parallel nature of lines. This line here is going to be parallel to the equatorial substituent here and here. This line in the ring, this bond in the ring, is going to be equatorial or parallel to the equatorial substituent here and here. And finally, these two lines that are in the ring are going to be parallel to the equatorial substituent here and there. Once again, draw as many of these as possible till they start to look like that.